Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nelo and you're watching Nelo Stitches. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to cut and sew a cone sleeve. If this is what you're interested in, please keep watching. So the first method I'm going to show you is to fold your fabric into two in a triangular form, like you're folding a half circle, like so. You fold this way, like you're making a half circle or a-line shape, okay? And then you start taking your measurement, the length of your sleeve. You can use 10, you can use 9, you can use 8, 7, any length of your choice. You take it round like so, and then you cut it out. And you'll be cutting two of these if you're using the same fabric for your lining also, okay? So, but for me, I'm going to be folding a full circle because I want to use the same fabric for the lining, and I just wanted to cut everything the same. So I'll measure this to make sure it's 10. I want to use a length of 9, so I'll measure this to be sure it's 10 inches, and then I'm going to fold into 2 again. That's, I folded my fabric into 4 right now, and I'm going to start taking my measurement. So like I said, the length I use for this tutorial is 9 inches, so you can use any length of your choice. You can use 8, 7, 6, 5, any length, or even bigger than the 9 inches, okay? So I'll be marking 9 inches round like so. So guys, please give this video a like so that other people can get to watch it, and subscribe to my channel on your way out. Thank you. So I'm going to connect this like so, and after connecting, I will cut this out. I'll be cutting this out. Okay, so next I'm going to open this in two like this, and I'll slash open here. I'll open it up like this also. So this is going to be two pieces, one for my lining and one for the main fabric. Okay, so for the main fabric, I'll be using a hard stay, which is a peplum stay also. So I'll be gumming it on one, which I have done, and then I sew round it. I join them together, right sides facing each other, and then I sewed round. So I'm going to trim out the excess like so, and I'll turn it like this. Okay, I trimmed out the excess, and then I turn this way. And then you're going to take this to the ironing table and press it down, iron it well. So this is one of the easiest way you can make your cone sleeve. Okay, so after ironing, I'm going to fold this into two and sew. I'll fold into two like this, and I'm going to close here up like so. And I'll do that, I'll be back. Okay, you just close this place up, and you can also use a bias tape to finish it up. So guys, here I'm done closing it. Sorry guys, the video is a bit dark here because they have taken light and my ring light is off. So I'm going to turn this inside now to the right side. So this is it when you turn it to the right side, and you're going to use something to push out this edge so that it will come out pointy enough. Okay, and then you're going to attach this to your sleeve. So I'm going to show you how it's going to look on the mannequin, and make sure that this part that is sewn is on your shoulder line. Okay, it's on your shoulder seam. Okay, so I'm going to show you on the mannequin. So this line here, you just place this to align with your shoulder seam, and then you attach. Remember, you'll be tacking this and not sewing it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next